two bones separate and he no get a, me say no get a scar upon the foot. Oh, that's the name of my bone. Thank God he can't walk. Me I tell you, me don't know how he turn transmission. I tell you this before he shit up. Them time he just have a girl character in him, you know, can be a woman in the road. See it? I only man who used to come a yard, I used to come and go car road, me them a bad boy. Me anytime me did the trouble did it, so me can't stand it. Yes, Ella. Alright. Remember fish bone different. Yeah, but he no cut him, he no get no cut, bro. He no get no cut, I tell you, he no get no cut. You not even see like he can get a lick on the foot, not even a wheel mark. I don't know why, I don't know what chopping foot in that too. I guess I'm afraid I up them, I go back up this and I go swim from that. And I years now, this about roughly about 10 years now. Me no tap back there and swim. You know get a scar up on the foot. Anybody who know live at Angels can tell you I thank you. Them just say a mermaid bucking foot. Me no want to know if a mermaid, you know. I don't want to know about that blood clot in there. I Lafayette, me say I Lafayette down there. And from that, me no go back there. Me no want to say. And long before that, the school that me used to go, me fully convinced from a little boy. We used to go to school to name Friendship Primary where they are. Like you go Kissing Town, like you go Dovecot. Anybody in the movie you know, and say it a sink. Anybody who know Crescent Primary know say if you never believe in a mermaid, you have to believe round there so to blood clot and them you can't tell me nothing. Then the place that anybody know Crescent Primary well. Delia Harrison and the two Harrison sister them, Pat Harrison they used to, they know about that. When they're boy, then they have to send me out of school. When time all he Lafayette and Pitney and getting mad down there. Be nice, the mama can't nice school gone, and we are making nice, you know. Cause you know, it look like so them Billy is cool and one mermaid pan. You know what Pitney mermaid, they say mermaid trouble around there and take away or something. Me no go back around this so. Right now they move the school from this so and put the I want this name. Remember on the Fairfield Road. Fairfield Road? Yeah, Fairfield Road. So me not really see them, bro. Yeah, Fairfield Road. Somebody at but me some things, some spooky thing go on where you have to say, how the blood clot that? You have to check your eye out. Me tell you, sometimes you have to wonder for your eye trick you. Like how one day me did a one bus and someone asked me if I can't see dopey. Me can't see no dopey, brother. I can't see no bumbo clot dopey. I living people me see me can't see no dopey. Sometimes I see something and I wonder if I hear your phone. Me have to I let me lick with that bumbo clot. The closest thing me have to closest to that thing where they say the weirdest thing me have to one dopey thing. And when me go somewhere go sleep, I feel like somebody hold me down. And like I kill them one kill me, I have to get mad. I say pussy what I do. And from me start telling go suck some mother or something, me just get mad. Cause they used to tell me say when they hold me down, me fi chant the psalms in my head. But when me a chant the psalms, because like I kill them one, kill me words at the blood clot. Me have to cut some bumbo clot, I go suck your mother, how you? They call like I kill them one, kill me in my sleep. Me I say what is? I closest thing that me to dopey other than that, me don't know nothing about that. Me don't know. Me a man say dopey box, then I say dopey, then I say me can't see them. Me wash me eye with rice water, me do everything. So me don't know. I mean I say we not see nothing, me don't know, cause me don't know, me just not see, me not tell no lie. Me never see nothing. I be alive people, me say, me saw people ugly like dopey, yes. But other than that, me not see nothing when me not see a human being that I was ugly. Me never see nothing. Me hear when you most of the time people tell them dopey story. Sometimes I think me see some shadow go, but I don't know. Me don't know. Me can't say somebody me see. Like I hear people say they see. Johnny and they say Johnny visit. I must dream, never dream. I must say bumbuckler. Me can't say nothing. I mean not tell no lie. See like with Rastafari. Every Rastaman say they see Selassie upon white horse. Me can't see no Selassie upon the white horse. I know that me a Ras. I me love Selassie, I me love Marcus, me love it. But me no see him upon the white horse. I know. Everybody I tell you, yes, I see the king on the white horse. Which white horse? Not to bumbuckler lie, man. They ever have some extraordinary story like about them. Me can't see nothing. Man, I say they see Selassie in the flesh. I say, me no see him. Me don't like see him. Me not tell a lie. Me just know say the king they real. But me never see them yet. Like how them a Rastaman and some years a Rastaman I say. How you not alone I see him? People are saying they see God and see Jesus. And Jesus, oh alone, Jesus a visit. And what's so special about you? And Jesus give no message for give me and give me. So what to me? Me Antichrist. I don't love more God than bumbuck lad. Me love God enough. Me love God to post it lad. I got me sure say me love God. But me can't see him like how I no see him. Me don't know whisper how not see him. I won't not look out at. You would want to see him on the white horse. Me I tell you one truth. Me see, the closest thing me see. And this me not tell a lie. One morning, over whisper, I first with a transmission and rush me. We go over there in the early morning, go. About 6 o'clock, I always get up before the sunrise. You know my style, early. And when me look, the moon up. No, the sun a come out. Me see the sun a peepy light, dog. And when me look over so to the right hand side, me see like, you know, the Power Rangers, them. You remember when the Power Rangers they used to forward? When we watch Power Rangers, we see red light, them a march, and we see red, purple light, so about 6 different light. We see a travel, like them a travel to the blood class sun. And I can't, there, God kill me, bro. Me not tell lie. Me come out of the car, come here and say, I wonder if I tilt on the car and fuck up me, Shalom. So me come out of the car, come me see something, I saw me lean back in the car, me look out, come me now, man, look up on the hill, go rise up. And me look out in the sky, brother, how me look, me see, it light them, me see. Bro, them, I swear upon my life, about, I saw them look in the sky, pink, all different color like a rainbow. Because God rainbow, you know, and me see it like a Power Ranger, them a travel. Me don't ever travel, I like them, me see, me don't know what, how to feel. But I swear upon my life, like them a rush me go to his son. And me say, who the bumbuckler, this shall I say, I swear to you, me run behind them 2 times, so. I mean, look again. I want me look. But one tilting over my glass, so bro. You know, we tilt the top of the glass, so come on to one tilting. Somebody have a tilt that's of the keeper of the sun off of so I see 3 tilting. So but when me come so now and look down, when I see 3 clear glass, me still I see light. So me I say, well, I shut up. How would bumbuck? I wonder if I glad. So me come out and now dark, I me walk out there. I look, I say, go, the light, them just a travel. Then me don't know if them a go. Me not one time me don't know if them a move. But when me look back again, me see like he move closer and then me say, ignore that. Me confuse the man. I don't know rainbow. Cause me know a rainbow. A rainbow have a dip. It look like I saw light a travel, like some man a travel. But I light me I say bro, be a light. Me not see no man. Me not see nothing. It just look like a light a travel. And me say blood clot. How this? I think my video for my other phone before it transmission then dash away. Come here and say me no like showing yeah, somebody and nobody don't because you will look like a madman in a shalom. Me say me have to come out. I closest thing that me can see. When me say other than that I pay falling angel, me see the one never there. Me not say nothing we not talk about. But I want to say the truth. I swear to you. I closest that me go. I closest that me got to see anything name that. So all I want to know, me don't know what kind of one I want to see, me don't know what I want to do. We say Power Ranger never travel. Me don't know if I Power Ranger, I don't miss it, bro. I just not miss it. I missed him, me have to do for it. Yeah, bro, you look like them a Marv. You don't know, a Marv, them a Marv. Is it what they say? I see the Marfa and what them travel. I saw you look, bro. I said, look, clot, how this nice guy.